Bro, why do I sneeze every time I look at the sun like I'm just trying to walk outside and suddenly my nose is doing backflips? At first, I thought I was allergic to sunlight like, bro, did I just unlock a vampire perk? But apparently, this is a real thing. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Basically, when bright light hits your eyes, your brain gets confused and tells your nose to sneeze. It's like your brain's wires got crossed the nerves for your eyes and your nose are too close, so your brain's like, yo, he saw light, time to sneeze. And it happens to about 1 in 3 people, so if you sneeze every time you walk outside, congrats, you got the sneeze upgrade. So yeah, next time you sneeze at the sun, just remember, your brain's out here lagging and your nose is taking orders from the wrong department. Subscribe before the sun makes you sneeze again.